Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm reviewing this 2019 Honda Odyssey minivan. It's an 8-passenger minivan, just pulling in from my test drive. Do these videos to help you kind of get the feel of the vehicle before you get here. Drivability wise, drives really nice. Brakes felt really good, suspension felt good. It does have the heated seat, which is nice on a little bit chillier day like today. And I'm going to flip this camera around and we'll show you some of the features of this van. I'd say this van is really well equipped. It does have the backup monitors you can see there. Also has cross path detection, so if someone's behind you, it's going to warn you. Maybe you're in a parking lot and someone's pulling through, or even if a kid's bicycle's back there, it's going to tell you about it. AM, FM radio controls all on this touchscreen as well. You have your heating and air conditioning controls down through here. Heated seats on both driver and passenger side. To switch from park to reverse, to neutral, to drive is just these buttons right here. It's very innovative. Overall cleanliness of this van, super clean inside. I do want to show you this as well. It has a really clean history report. Has one previous owner other than Paul Sherry's. No accidents reported, no hail damage, no water damage or anything of that sort. So a little bit of peace of mind there. Overall, the cubbies are really clean. Has a couple beverage holders up there. Has spots to hook up your phone, USB ports, 2 of them there, and an auxiliary port there for audio. A couple more beverage holders down here. On the steering wheel, we have the hands-free connectivity for your cell phone, so you can talk through this car through your phone. Cruise control here, it has not just your standard cruise control that you're used to, it has what we call adaptive cruise control. So when you're on the interstate and you have the adaptive cruise control on, it's going to slow you down if someone gets in front of you and slows down, so you don't have to adjust it. It does have the screen here and various fuel mileage, trip, things of that sort that you can get there through these buttons here. Over here it does have lane assist. Driving down the highway, it's going to keep you in your lanes. Also has front collision avoidance there, so if someone slams on the brakes and before you react, this vehicle will react. It does have power liftgate, power sliding doors, and the beautiful part about them is you can turn them off in case the kids are you're concerned about that. It does have a programmable seat here if you have multiple drivers, heated and remote controlled power mirrors, power locks, power windows. All right, it's got a bunch here. Let's check out here. The glove compartment does have the factory books to it. Little sunglass hut with a mirror so you can see the kiddos. Does also have a moonroof that opens. All right, let's check out the outside. Exterior looks really good, has a brilliant black paint job. Front end looks nice and sharp. I don't see any body defects or anything like that up here. Windshield also looks clear of any cracks or anything like that. Has some nice alloy wheels, as you can see here, with Mastercraft tires. The tires are plenty of tread left in them. I did not get you the miles on this, but let me get that for you. It has 73,098 miles on, and there's not a single warning light or anything like that on the dash. Power sliding rear doors, like I mentioned. Just pull the handle and open, it goes. This is the 8 passengers, so you're going to get 3 passengers here, 3 passengers in the third row. Beautiful thing about this is this center can be removed very easily if you don't need that. These are reclining seats, leather wrapped seats as well, so nice, comfortable seat to sit in. Tinted windows back here. Power lift gate, so great if you got groceries. Beautiful thing about minivans is the lift gate's tall enough you can fit underneath it, so if it's raining out, not a big deal, you're not going to get wet. These rear seats here will fold down into this well down here for a nice big cargo area if you have some big items to tow around. This van is powered by the 3.5 liter V6 Honda engine. Gets up to 28 miles a gallon on the highway. Driver's side looks nice and clean as well. Overall, I would rate this an A+ inside and out. Great driving vehicle. Just a couple years old. You can save thousands of dollars from what these vans cost brand new. This does come with a 3-month, 3,000 mile powertrain warranty as well, and financing is available. If you're looking to get some payments on this at a good interest rate, you can fill out our application on the link below and get pre-approved before you get in the store. And also you can figure out your trade value before you get here into the store too. And you just click on that link below and put in your pertinent trade information, and we can shoot you back an offer on your trade. So thanks for watching, everyone. My name's Mike. Have a great remainder of your day.